What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. It's me, Josh, and my really cool Uncle Mike. Today we are going to do a couple projects for you. The first one, we're redoing a door for his front porch, and then the second one, we'll be building a bar if time and weather allows. So stick around, stay tuned, have some fun, and join us on this project. So here's the deal with this. This door wasn't cheap, and we have to trim it just a little bit. We're making adjustments. We've got to get this just right, and we only have one try. So we're trying to figure that out. You know, we'll measure twice, cut once. Now we've got the door ripped down to the proper size, and we're going to route out the spaces for the hinges. So here we go. Alrighty, so we are off the original front door. That way we can hang the new one and line it up for everything. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Drilling some screws. So what we're doing is we're hanging the doors so that we can line up the door handle and deadbolt, all that good stuff. He's running to get some shims so we can prop the door up to screw it in temporarily, but we'll be taking it off later to stain it off. So it's a big project. You think just hanging a door, putting a new door on would be easy, but there's a lot of little steps and such in life. The culmination of a lot of little things add up to one big awesome story. This makes me nervous because I want it to be perfect. The moment of truth. I'm turning back now. Is that where you like it? We don't have a chisel to make the fine adjustments, so she'll I'll have to do. Good thing I sharpened her on Friday. What is that? We're gonna try out this contraption. Apparently you just set it on the door and beat it.
Give it a whack.
Give it a whack. So we're gonna give it a whack and give it a whack. Ow! I'm just kidding. Now that is pretty cool.
Somebody bring me some stains. I don't have to get up.
Ask and you shall receive.
Awesome.
Right now we're hanging the door, obviously, and then once we get this hung, then we'll stain the outside, give that a little bit of time to dry, install the hardware, and we should wrap the project up pretty good. You guys get the idea. We'll time lapse this. We got the stain all done, now it's time to put the hardware on, and that should wrap the project up. Precision, baby. Here, help me up. Oh, woo, old knees. What does Indiana Jones say? It's not the ears, it's the miles. All right, moment of truth. Hello, welcome. What is up, everybody? It's an awesome project with my Uncle Mike. We got this super cool door put in. It came blank slate. 10-10, wouldn't do again. No, it was cool. It was cool. Thanks for coming along. If you liked the video, if it brought you value, like, comment, subscribe, join the community. Let us know what you would do different if you were to do this project. What did we miss? What did we get right? And if you have any ideas for future projects, drop them down in the comments. All right, everybody, you be good, good people, be good, be good people, and peace out.